In a previous video that has ended before, so coming to this, that resolving here, not there, and for the set timeout that we have done. Let me say something is remained. Set timeout. This is start. So will be function and search. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So as you see that this promise is of unknown type. So here we use our generic types to define the type of this, that it could be string or it could be a number or tab we want. Coming next to it. So use here as the constant promise, that is promise generic type, that is, let's say without process. And now you see that it understands that promise is of type string. So this is how generic types define that. Now resolve, it will resolving that have the type, so which is a string here. And let's take that if we do not define type, that's taken any here. So any means that it will return any type, so returning values as any. So if we call our promise function, that is promise, that is input by then, and it will switch just like if you want to use split function, that is used in our, what we say, string. So if you want to use it here, let's say this will run. But if we take a number here, and it shows an error because it does not actually show type. And another thing, that if we do not define any type, that's not possible. But if it's any and want to split, and if we give any number here, then we can pass it here. Now is that it is of type value any, because any has both values, that string that could be a number. That we can do next to the further to the generic types, we can do another thing, that we can make a function that have two generic types. Let's make a function that is function just of the types, that is, let's control function, let's merge, and put 12, let's say the type 2, and here we define another type, that is, we want to define two types. Having our arguments, let's first to the merge, that is our merge function, that merge will make merge, and then the arguments, let's say name, having age, so we are defining name type at the values. So let's say we have value t here, 2 here as type dot, So say if that we provide that object A, that will name of type T and age of type Q, and we're not calling here. Let's define here this process. Use it is saying that function merge any of type that because we do not define any return type right now. So let's do for that again. Let's return that object that is and now we call the function that our function by taking a constant. Let's say let's say anything that having such merge function value of this that not from other value that is let's say number f dot what we want to print. Let's adft.h page not getting in the just one such that was that using was from oh yes server has been lost, so let's run again server. So let's go what's not this and that of kind the property assigned does not exist on type check constructor. This is showing us the error because due to the applet compiler in our TS1 configuration file that is we are using that. So it's and I mentioned error, but just getting the output. Yes, we are getting the output here that we are given that age as 5 years. So the another thing in general type that we can define two different type in a single function by using general type. That T will be a type that we use as a string, and we let's say A is type T type that is string and B is of type number. So by using general types we can only do this. Let's do more on the generic functions. So let's make function and parameter, let's say element and using generic types here that by triangular braces let's say type T element of same type, that is declaration of a function inside it. It's another variable that description we want, and also having some return of the function that it will return what is the value that element that it will return. Okay. So that the extends in theory, not this again comes the function that description let's say what it was another thing that is description text, not description text, so description CRT parallel else what it will do is for this will return something if that our length element dot length is greater than 1, then what it will do return that element equals to set value that not all functions will return that also have this function. I should console it. Let's console log the value of our description element. That is our function calling by using our classic is that print dot and what we want to just say what we want to do print our value just on that is not that's just passing the value and then turn the from that we are getting here that fact that to 0 and GFT and having more than 1 because it is greater than 2 greater than 1, so it is going to and print that it is more than 1. So this is another generic function that we can use just to extend using some interfaces, and generic function will also be used in the class space. So coming to the generic classes here, that the generic class just like the generic interface that we define a generic name of the class with this our generic type. Let's take another type as variable here for defining our generic types, and is having some field name that is geo value which is the same num type and has a at which having x as a num type and y also num type, and return type which is also a num type. So let's make a very new object by my generic number or new generic and passing this as a number of that we use as a generic type, because we are using number here. We define the generic type as the number. So here we are calling my generic number, that is our variable here, dot, and which will we want to call, that is zero value, and passing the value zero here. And now come to this, then my generic dot add, and calling the function x and y that having value here our x and y, that we have the command type, that so it will show that it's x number and also number, because we define this as a number type and return this way. So let's do this in our code. Let's go to this code. Let's control this and start making a class name as number. And field name and that and type here. Type again, type and then field name, let's say type that we have seen, type used. That which is having two parameters, the same type that we have type. Same type. It will not use like this. It will not use so all this file like you can define number type of that it will to return the value here. This is here and now by this that have make my number dot zero value passing this value and call our function or method to say my number dot add, that is function here, and passing the values. Define the here that is our type.